So you're ready to share a document with your class so that they can collaborate together on it. There are several ways you can do this. Go to your apps and go to your digital locker. One, if you already have a Word document that's done and you want to share that with them, you could just click on this upload button and upload it from your computer. If it's not finished yet and you don't have it in Word, then you're going to need to create it by going to More Options and creating a new document. Name the document. Let's say I want to do Civil War, Cause and Effect. And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to ask me if I want to edit it now, and I do because I want to create that Cause and Effect document. So if it doesn't load right away, on the top right hand side in Google Chrome you might have a red X. You have to click on the red X to allow pop-ups and then try to create that document again. So right here I'm going to go ahead and fill out my information here and create my groups with cause and effects columns, and then I'll be right back and show you what that looks like. Okay, so I created a Civil War document with groups 1 through 5 because there can be 5 users at one time that are collaborating on one document. If you have more groups, then you can stagger the groups, or you can actually create another document with the additional groups. I'm going to make sure that it's saved with the little save icon here, and then I'm going to close out of it. In order to share this document, you're going to go to your Civil War Cause and Effect, and you're going to check it, and you're going to go to the box here called More, and you're going to say I want to edit sharing. Now whoever you want to share it with, if you want to share it with your class, then type in the class name and choose your class. I'm just going to choose the test student, test. And then I'm going to make sure that that test student can edit, and I'm going to add that student down here, test. So now test, this document is going to be shared with this student. And then I'm going to close out, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to log in as that student and show you what that student sees. Now when the student logs into his or her account, they're going to get an email message saying that a new file has been shared with them. They can actually click this file here, but that just means that they're going to have editing rights to that document, but it's going to shut everybody else out. We want to make sure that everybody's able to collaborate on the document at one time. So this time we're going to go to Apps, and you're going to go to your digital locker. In this person's digital locker, you're going to see Civil War Cause and Effect document, which is shared. Okay, and it's shared by the owner, which is Carol Vasquez. You're going to hover over it until you see the underline. You're going to click the underline, and this pops up. Do you want to enter single user mode or multi-user mode? If it's single user mode, that person only has editing rights and it's going to shut everybody else out. Choose multi-user mode in order to collaborate with other students in the class. So I'm going to choose multi-user mode. Again, there's a possibility that Google Chrome is going to block this with the pop-up blocker, so you'll have to check to see if there's a red X in the corner, the top right corner. If so, then you have to allow pop-ups and then try to open it again. Okay, so if I'm a student and I'm part of group number 1, I start writing my answers in here, typing my answers, and then group number 2 and 3 and so on. And everybody can be typing at one time. So you might be wondering, well, what does the teacher see? Well, if I switch over to this view, this is what the teacher will see. The teacher will see the cursor being a different color, okay, in each of these boxes. And when you hover over it, you can see that test is actually typing in this box. Okay, and then it'll be a different color here and here and here based on the group. That means everybody is collaboratively writing or typing on the same document. So once that collaboration takes place and you're done with it, all you do is hit the save button and then close out of your document. Okay, and then log out of Gaggle. And that's it.